don't know, ISSA boys and girls champs. I'm there with 8763. I bring you the vibes from the stadium on socials and things, you see me? And you know, from me, you know, my type of interview with them, energy and things. Not too much statistics, so just stay tuned. We're going to see the behind the scenes of everything I'm going to do across the days. Them. It's rough, but I show as much as I can. Which school no support? Your first champs? I know me go to the gate. Excels at the smash. Come down with the thing back KC. But Excels let them have a match as well. Early in the morning, you know. What 10:52. Now the hot sun, the march come down. So good school spirit, I respect that. But me wouldn't do it still, isn't it? Sometimes it's nice when I go to school whenever really do good at champs. So you just go to school, do your work and watch it on TV and you come as a fan. But you're walking at the hot sun thing right now. That's my style.
We're checking for scissors, knife, scissors, knife, pepper spray, glass bottle cologne.
Okay, anything cause of the rivalry, you know, say?
Yes, yeah, okay. Yeah, but them not. No pepper spray.
I hand people, them are all nice stadium. And them. Watch out, look on this man, watch out. Purple beard, you know. If he could have died, skin him die too.
I would. Assigned entry point. Patrons are allowed to enter through gates 1 to 3 or gates 8 to 10.
How long you take to forget them then?
Alright, so big up Classic Dripper all the way in Trelawney for the mad beat. Now it only took him about a week. You see me? But it was worth the trip all the way in a Trelawney Classic Dripper.
The second fastest team in the nation is Class this season, Mount Alvernia. You see them in lane 4 running pretty well at the start, but also running well. Set under technical on the outside of Woolmer's. So Woolmer's girls, this is a nice back stretch now from Woolmer's girls. And they've got the step on the rest of the field. Mount Alvernia charging back now. Leaders in this event, in this heat, Mount Alvernia now storm in front, around the curve. Nice third leg this from Mount Alvernia.
Got him right almost at the end of the zone. So let's see the second exchange, not the first one, but the second. When we look at the replay, if you could focus on that lane 4 exchange. The second exchange. So here's the start.
Right now we're there on the athletes village where them do them warm up and things, so you know the usual now get a little behind the scenes, unseen stuff that you don't see on TVJ and those places. TVJ don't report my video for copyright because it's not really TV videos. Everything in here is originally made, alright?
You know what I mean? They ask around with her. As you come here, she want to tell her everything.
Where is it?
He robbed me out from 1979. And the man do 1, 2, 3 before and then
So I know you don't get massage?
No, sir.
You need to make sure she get her massage, man.
Alright, I make sure she pull it.
Leave it alone. But this is when you get free too easy, dog. Let's not do that. Man, just get free too easy, dog.
The same here. Yes.
Still working and showing that we're there. In the end, we're there.
In the camp, the alleys, I'm tired, like, me realize the heat turn up.
Yeah, heat is up. I have to keep them hydrated. But they're ready.
She nearly dropped me.
It's big side. Heidel. Which athletes used to go Heidel?
Briana Liston, Garrel White, Giant Salmon, China Costa,
Lamara Distin.
Lamara Distin. Who else? We don't know more right now. Green. Oh, Cherokee Young. Who else?
Athletes.
Oh, Ashanti Moore. Felicia Williams. No.
And Wally.
Wally for them a shine, right?
So Heidel win champs this year?
Of course. Big Idol.
Sent off and running, great start for Nkrumie. Also trying to hold it in, Nkrumie on the counter, taking points in. It's Nkrumie, look at the time! Look at that time, ladies and gentlemen! For your viewing pleasure! Positive 0.3 meters per second. He speaks to everyone. Give me a personal respect.
God born. I'm so proud of you. What I mean? Mad. Which out of 10? 10 out of 10. 20 out of 10. Sorry, Ali.
Watch it. Even when you're running 9-9, me say I look too side. What the reason?
Don't worry about it, man. I get it right. Get it right. Promise.
So what's next?
What's next?
Yeah.
Enough things, I can see. Trust me, I can see.
Going straight pros or college?
Not sure yet. Yeah, man. What's Nkrumie? What's Bouwahjgie and Nkrumie. Alright, how do you say? Looks like Kwame. No, man. Alright, we're gonna do it right. Video me. Bouwahjgie and Nkrumie is a big deal. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah. Ready? Ready? Enough space. Ready? Enough space. No, sir. Enough space, man. Video.
Starts Alexis James off of where the leg free. Alana Reed begins to storm away. James trying to go in for a final fourth. Back to the outside side. Alana Reed wins it. Look at the time. Positive 1.0 meters per second. Wow. 10.92 seconds. That is a new national under 20 record. It also smashes the champs record set back in 2001. Alana Reed is in the house. James 11.45 in second. Forbes Emmanuel in third. We can say we saw that live.
Yeah, welcome back to the vlog. You see me as me telling you with the funny champs. They with the stream team, you see me Nicholas over here, so it's like a photographer, see me with the machine and thing. How you work this cave yesterday?
Work and stay good. Workload I get higher, but they are doing.
Alright, for me, it don't stay good. Me not like the sun thing, you see me, and you see me as a youth when like me go out in the light and thing. Watch it. You see me? Boy, them a scorch me. But if I go on decent still, over here so. We have Big Simon Preston.
Big up, guys.
How champs going so far?
I'm enjoying it, honestly. You know, the quality of action that we're seeing, the records being broken, and I'm looking forward to what lies ahead. Another day and a half to go. Looking forward to much more.
How champs are going so far?
Well, you know,
the COVID done and this man a mask.
it is getting back to its former glory. The quality is there as usual, you know what I mean, because it's Jamaica. You know what I mean, quality is always there. So it's getting back there. Just waiting for the stadium to full up and we can feel the fun, feel the rhythm. You know what I mean?
Yeah. In terms of work, what exactly you do at Champs?
Well, I am here. I am, multifaceted as usual. I am taking photos.
Editing
videos, doing some edits.
And you have to get them out instant.
Yeah, and of course, I'm here to also consume food that is provided. That is very important.
That is it. So the media works and all. That is the great Jeff journalist, photographer. In the picture when you see on the stream, say. You see me? Great design over there.
All of the school them have a wicked vibe still, but KC seems to always have the bigger fan base, so I would say KC for now.
On the girls' side, Idol or
Idol wicked, man. Idol look wicked, but I don't know if I big up all of the athletes, Edwin Allen always performing great, and Idol stepping up to the challenge.
How Champs always help athletes, like in terms of the atmosphere, because the pressure with them get at Champs under this atmosphere.
It's a mini Olympic Games. I would say this is the closest you can get to the Olympic Games. So to compete under this pressure, I mean, the sky's the limit. After this, the sky's the limit.
We must stay here, so.
What a break.
So we're just out here right now. We need to go do some watch out. See my set. KC band just reach. KC are the defending champions, so they're gonna make it most nice. You see me? Whole I man them there, so. Them time they're on like a break right now. Student are coming, as we said. KC active. We say, which school cover this? Which school cover this? Blue and white. Woolmas? Oh, Woolmas. JC. Excelsior. Me not come from town, so I told people not from me now. You see me? Yeah. Mannings. As a Westman, brother. Westmoreland, what do you mean, Mannings? Oh, no. Just back in the Mannings is second oldest school behind Woolmas, Oh, for real? So back in the 19 early days, Mannings did win some champs, brother, but them just stop now and just focus on academics like an idiot. Yeah, alright. Khalees, let me tell you, a national record holder for the triple jump woman, Mannings woman. But as I tell you, back in the days, you get me? Khalees Spencer, 400, Mannings same way. You see me? But Mannings nowadays, brother, does CXC. Who can get the most CXC? Man don't get all 30 subject,
Oh, but again, because them cut me out.
So how you get this?
I mean, make it, man.
With the mission?
I mean, make it. Just by the week and just 40 sit up. You want to see something later on, but tomorrow you'll see it.
Alright, KC man, I'm serious now. As a defending champion, I've come out full and stunting.
You see it. Support.
Bouwahjgie people them place that. Probably by tomorrow. Supposed to. Different still. What I try to do? I try to send over a video from the phone to the next phone so I can get it to them. But yeah, that's a part of work, you see me?
Good jerk chicken over there, so yummy. Alright. Honestly, KC every year. KC has the largest crowd and the crowd with the most vibes. Even if, you know, as they didn't win the race, they're still cheering them on. So it goes to KC.
So based on how champs look right, do you feel like JC maybe can get what KC?
Honestly, I think KC's going to because they're leading my I think. But they're really strong.
So on the girls' side, everybody been dominating the girls, but Heidel, what do you think about one of the end?
Oh, honestly, it's going to boil down to Heidel or Edwin. And right now, I think Edwin is in the lead. You know, Heidel is still there. They just won the relay. So we'll see in the end.
Alright, you never get to compete at shots. If you have to choose one skill, you kind of have an idea if you don't want to choose that one. You have to choose one of those schools in there based on the energy. Which one you have? You can't go KC.
Well, for girls, because my mother went to Woolmer's, you know, everyone thinks I should go to Woolmer's. Also that, so I have two schools, either Woolmer's or Edinburgh, you know. Also Heidel, due to the way how they're performing right now. I really can't. I can't go Woolmer's now. I can't go Woolmer's.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, Vlog World, it's the end of Friday night. we have a kitchen on the vlog, you know. Everybody is here drained, you know. It's been a rough one. It's been a rough one.
Transfer what?
Right now when they have hungry, you see me, we're tired. In the sun all day, you see. So, it's been a rough one. Jeff.
So I can give you the room key.
Jeff.
In case.
Guys, give it up for Jeff, please. Give it up for Jeff.
Okay, fine. Guess here. Alicia.
Excellent work, consider Jeff.
Back in 2017 by St. Jago. We go to the lanes. We start in lane 8. In lane 8. The defending champions, 49 seconds coming in. Let's make welcome Immaculate. In lane 7. Silver medalist last year, 49.70 coming in. Edwin Allen. In lane 6, the finalist last year, who stood for the medal, 69.46 coming in. Let's make welcome St. Jago. Once the list is coming off here, 48 coming in, Heidel!
I can't even find place to walk.
Continuing the medal presentation.
Can't even find place to walk.
High jump for boys, class 1.
I'm glad to see the stadium finally back again. Since COVID, like after COVID, I first the stadium like fuck. Yeah man, the vibes up.
Wayne Williams, St. Mary High.
Me not like big crowd, so me not go the inner
2.05
big like crowd. I mean, like people out, you see me?
Receiving the silver medal.
behind by about 4 points. I think they'll just keep the next person. If the Edwin beat them, they're not too far off. The crowd mad right now, as I can hear it nice. So where exactly are you from?
I coach sprints at Texas Tech University in Lubbock, Texas.
Is it your first time coming to Champs?
Absolutely not. I'm here every year.
How was the experience?
You know, people don't realize around the world that Champs is the best track meet in the world. I mean, if I had a choice between this and the Olympics, I'd probably come to Champs.
Whoa.
So I have a lot of friends down here. I'm always blessed to be so welcomed and so taken care of. But yeah, this is there's no better atmosphere. There's no better competition. Like this is for a track enthusiast that loves track. This is the best place to be.
Which of all the performances stood out the most to you?
I mean, I'm really proud of Coach Bennett and the Heidel team. He's a great coach, and he's been working hard to get that. And, you know, there's so many, you know, all these kids work so hard. Like it's just a very special thing. So I'm happy for all of them. But there are some, you know, the women's 100, the 1092 is probably the peak of it. For me.
Yeah, because the 99 kind of saw it coming.
Yeah,
but that 10.
Yeah, and I have a lot of KC friends, and I mean, Bouwahjgie did a great job in that. I mean, just incredible all around. Every year, I mean, I don't miss this thing.
When you saw that Serena Cole had to pull out of that final, what was your reaction?
Oh, I mean, I'm a fan of competition. You know, like it was. I just want to see. I think every real athlete wants that. They want the competition. They want to win on the day with, you know, against the best. And you know, it's sad. I hope she's going to come around. She's a great talent too. So, you know, it wasn't her day, but it will be in the future.
And it makes you think, if Serena was in that race to push Alana, what would it be?
I mean, sky's the limit. It's crazy to think. I mean, it's just so much talent down here. Such great coaches. Such great people. I mean, this is a social thing. This is Jamaica. It's amazing.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
And remember your name?
Zach Glavish. I coach sprints at Texas Tech, so Zach.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, man.
So you know Demisha as well?
Yeah, I coach Demisha as well. Yeah, I'm one of her coaches. I got her.
When Demisha sees this video, I want to send her a video. Yeah. Send her a message.
Yeah. Demisha, what's up? I got a lot of them. Like Vashawn, Shamar, Demisha, Michaela, what's up? What's up, y'all?
Look where coach is.
Yeah, they're jealous.
She came home. All right.
See ya.
This is one I only work in 1.5 days. So, what you want me to tell you? It's from work at Chance in 5 days. We can manage any world championships, any Olympics, any World Cup. Believe me. Believe me. You're going to run a champs when you get older? Which school you want to go?
Ireland High.
Heidel you want to go? Why? Because they win tonight? Which race do you think you could have run? 100 meter. You're fast, but you can't run long distance.
Yeah, I can't run long distance. I jump over.
You can jump? That means if you make you meet Shanika Ricketts, you can do triple jump for Jamaica. Okay. Alright, so this is Daniel Wheeler, right off of the Gleaner, like working for the past 5 days. How has it been?
Exhausting, and this is just champs. It's not even the world championships. I went to Oregon last year, and trust me, the amount of energy that we spent to get it done. You know, but champs are good preparation for it. But people don't understand. Obviously, it's a privilege to cover the championships. It's the most important thing in Jamaica. Yeah. But it's hard work. If you can do champs, you're on your way. If you can do national championships and make sure that you stay healthy and stuff, trust me, world championships, you have to apply to different rules. But if you can do champs, everything is possible.
Which one of the performances so did they stand out the most to you?
Oh boy. 999, 1092.
Choose one.
I can't, and the reason is that it's the first time that school children have gone sub 11 and sub 10 on the same night.
Yeah.
And the fact that because of the change in schedule, it's the reason why we got it.
True.
But if that's in terms of my electrifying performance, but in terms of my most memorable, Kaden Johnson in the steeplechase. Fall on the last hurdle, almost thought that she lost it, but got up, run and finished the race. And trust me, this title race, trust me, the best. The thing is, I'm gonna be sleeping tomorrow. I'll be waking up very early because there's a party at Ferry St. Catherine that I don't want to miss.
All right, big up.
Big up.